Hi, Dave Reilly, Director of Claims, Gannon Associates, putting together a video on tips for what to do in case you're ever involved in an auto accident. Number one, I would say know your policy. Make sure that you annually review your policy with your agent, know your limits and coverages, make sure that they're suitable for you and your family in case you're ever in an auto accident, that they're going to be able to help you get through it. There are a lot of options on a personal auto policy in Pennsylvania, New York, I guess all the states, and sometimes it's difficult to read. That's why your agent's there to help you decipher what's available to you, what you can afford, but make sure you're getting the things and the coverages and the limits that are going to be there for you in case of a terrible thing like an auto accident and there's an injury to you or your family member or some possible third party. Number two, be sure you know who to contact if you're ever in a claim or ever in an accident, and you have to put in a claim. You know how to get a hold of your agent, the phone number, the email address. Perhaps there's a mobile app. So know who to contact and how to contact them. Number three, keep good records, be organized. Have your policy number somewhere handy. You're going to need that along with your email address and your cell phone number when you do contact your insurance carrier or your agent. Number four, the actual accident. Stop the car, call for help if anyone is injured, take any reasonable steps to prevent any further damage to your vehicle. If you need to, call the police. If there's another vehicle involved, I strongly suggest you call the police. And if you need a tow truck, call them as well. Number five, if the police do come to the scene, have your license, your registration, and proof of insurance handy. You may also need to give that information to any emergency personnel that show up on the scene if there's an injured party. Number six, be sure to take photos of all damage to your car, any other cars involved in the accident, the surrounding area, anything that you can find that might be important to the actual claim investigation. It may be important. There will probably be an accident report that you might need for your claim, so be mindful of that. But anything you can take down for evidence and would be helpful in making the claim go more smoothly. Number seven, make a record of the date, the time of the day, the location of the accident. Please note any unusual weather or road conditions, anything that may have happened that may have contributed to the accident. Please record that. Memories fade, so as soon as we can write down that information, it's best for the investigation and moving everything more efficiently. Number eight, also record any names, addresses, phone numbers, driver's license numbers if you can get them, of any other drivers or passengers involved in the vehicle. If you can get contact information from any police officers or emergency personnel that have responded, we may need to contact them. And if there's any witnesses to the accident, names, addresses, phone numbers, whatever you can get. If there are people around, we need to write the names down, and then any investigative personnel could then contact them and piece together the accident. Finally, keep record of all expenses for possible reimbursement. Your tow bill, perhaps storage fees at the garage, any medical bills. If you keep a good record of them, it will help with reimbursement and to finish off the claim. Accidents are never a pleasant situation. That's why you have insurance. That's why you have a trusted insurance agent to help you through it. Knowing how to work with the insurance company is important. Knowing how to react when something unexpected happens, being prepared. We'd like to help you stay prepared and be prepared. Hopefully it never happens. But if it does happen, we're here for you. And we're going to help you bounce back as quickly as we can. We're going to help get you back in your car and get your life back on track. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, give us a call.